How many times we gonna mess this up today with no coffee? A lot. Hi guys, I'm TBI Journey, and in today's video we're going to take a break from the daily grind and talk about something a little more fun. As adults, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and the bustle of work and responsibilities. But it's important to take time to enjoy ourselves and create lasting memories. That's why in this video, I want to share with you some of the fun things I did this summer. So relax and let's get started. This summer, I went swimming a few times and I learned this was a mistake. I walked around looking like a lobster and in pain most of the time. This summer, I broke in my swimming suit. Oh, the burn I had from all this outdoor fun. I'm very lucky to have such a great friend that knew how to help me out. Went fishing a few times this summer. I'm fully here for the minnow. Went camping in the mountains. It was a peaceful and rejuvenating experience, and it reminded me of the importance of spending time outdoors. I went camping for the first time in ages and ate some great food. It was an excellent opportunity to disconnect from the world and repair my mental health. It was such a joy to connect with nature, and we hiked through beautiful trails and camped under the stars while falling asleep to the sound of the loons. I also had a chance to attend a music festival this summer. The opportunity to see some of my favorite artists and discover some new ones. Halestorm teamed up with Volbeat this summer. Very lucky to attend this event. I personally had never heard of Volbeat, but I'm definitely a fan of Halestorm. Sorry. Pics that are in these pictures were being thrown out at the end of the concert by the artists. It's such a great lasting memory for them. So one of my failures this summer was the coffee video. I learned a ton about myself in this failure. The biggest one is that not only do I need to check my equipment better, a lot better, I can solve issues in the event things come up. I always learned that facing setbacks can come with its own reward. I learned that making this channel isn't always going to be the way that I first planned it. This is okay because I'm going to have challenges at times. The lesson comes from learning from our mistakes. After all, the hard work we put into making art might not be as great if we don't learn from the mistakes and then learn to improve from them, which makes the experience even more enjoyable in the end. Getting outside and getting some fresh air after being cooped up all winter is essential for the body. Movement is also great to add in this summer. If you can get out this summer, please do. As the summer continues on and the sun begins to set, being surrounded by nature was incredibly relaxing. Then I went and got caught up on some views. It was a great way to enjoy the beauties of nature. Please stay tuned for the bloopers coming up soon. It is essential to create time for ourselves and meaningful memories that will last a lifetime. It is essential to create lasting memories in our lives. It is essential to take time for ourselves and create. It is essential to create lasting memories. It is essential to create time for ourselves and lasting memories that are meaningful. If you like content like this one, there's a button over here. Press it. If you like videos like this one, press it. Thank you for your most valued currency, your time. Bye. Experience. I'm just gonna mess it up over and over again. Lasting. Never fails. You get in the shower, there's a knock at the door. Blooper. If I can add it, I'll add it. I see you.